Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. For today's video, I'll be showing you the unboxing of my new wig and how I install them. Right now, I'm in my red bonnet, haven't done anything much. Let's get right into the video, guys. Alright, so I have the box. This company I really like to use a lot. They have good quality hair. Every purchase I made from them is literally the best. I don't know why I haven't found this company. Alright, so I'm taking the wig out. It comes in the net thingy to keep the hair together. And look at that, it's so pretty, oh my gosh. It also came with 2 wig caps, which I will be using in the video. It came with some stickers. I usually don't use the stickers. I just give them away to my brothers or so. Then it also comes with the user manual, and I usually don't use that because I already know how to install lace wigs. So right here, I'm just taking the wig out of the net. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Just look at that, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful wig. This wig is 30 inches long. I prefer my hair to be super long, and I'm just gonna show you guys the inside of the wig. It comes with 3 combs and also the 2 little hooks to hook it at the back so that your wig is in place. Ladies, never forget to hook your wigs because you never know what might happen. And here I'm just showing you it again with the lace on it. Okay, y'all, so off camera, I usually gel my edges, then I put my cap on like this, and I usually cut the back because sometimes the caps give me headaches, so I would usually just cut it so that it could fit my head size. So now I usually take my wig and just brush it out a bit, get even on all sides. And also this wig already comes with baby hairs, so hope I don't have to cut more. So I'm just gonna take the hooks out, and I put my wig over my head like this. This is how it's looking so far. Go ahead and put the clip in at the back. Put my clip in on the side. Then clip the other side. And then hook it. Oh gosh, I just got stuck on my reel here. So I'm just gonna hook this now. Right, so now I'm just gonna work on my baby hairs. What I usually do is take mousse and my freeze spray to lay my wigs, and then I also have my little scarf just to hold it down. So what I do is I take some mousse and I spread it all over my baby hairs like this. These are little baby hairs. I feel like I'm gonna have to cut some more later. Right, so put that down. So I was just brushing down with more mousse just to keep them down and such. And sometimes I would like curl it with the flat iron, but I need the extra tiny one that is usually used for the baby hairs because I don't want my edges to burn, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I don't want to burn my edges off. So now I took my freeze spray and I just spray my edges. Spray them to stay in place. And I do the same thing on the other side. Same right for the edges. Then I put my bandana over it. Let me make it a bit longer because my edges are a bit long. And I cover my hair. Then I leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks afterwards. See y'all in a few. Okay guys, I'm back after 10 minutes. This is what my wig looks like. Just gonna turn around and give y'all a 360 of how it looks. I'm loving it. So pretty. I really like the color. Yes, this is the finished product. Right guys, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on the video guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.